Well, the Maharashtra's Chief Minister suspends end today because remember 5th December is the date that has been chosen for the much anticipated swearing-in ceremony. But when will the announcement come? India Today has the inside scoop on the Maharashtra Chief Minister phase. The scoop is that Shiv Sena, the Shinde Sena of course here, is firm on the Home Ministry portfolio, the Home Department portfolio for the state government. Shinde's son could get the Deputy Chief Minister's position if Shinde is not keen to be taking up that position after having been the Chief Minister. These are some of the inside calculations that are being done, and BJP MLAs is about, they're going to meet in hours from now. So a lot is brewing in Maharashtra, and I want to immediately bring in India Today's Vidya tracking the latest on that. Vidya, it's very strange, isn't it, that the date of the swearing-in has been decided, but the name for the swearing-in hasn't yet been announced. What are you picking up? Is there a delay, and what could be the reasons for it?
Well, the name has of course been suggested, that of Devendra Fadnavis, by the local leaders here, and even Delhi top-notch leaders in BJP agree that it should be Fadnavis. But the reason why the announcement is not been made is because the legislative party meet of the BJP is still pending. That is to be done on 4th, which is a day prior to the swearing-in, and so by 4th the legislative party leader of the BJP would be elected, and that announcement along with that of probably the Chief Minister would be done at the same time. Of course, the name of Devendra Fadnavis is doing the rounds. It's the one which everyone from Delhi to the people in Mumbai and Maharashtra have been naming. But, as they say with the BJP, there could be a last minute, a card that could come out. But certainly everyone's really firm that it could be Fadnavis for sure, as he's the architect of what we see as the BJP's clean sweep in Maharashtra. Of course, there will be the decision of the cabinet as well. Remember, as you yourself mentioned, Pooja, that it's not just the name of the CM that has to be announced. It will be the entire portfolio that will be distributed. So we'll get an entire scene of what the government of Maharashtra would be looking like when a decision is made. And of course, that is being delayed because Eknath Shinde decided to go to Satara. The meeting that was to be held on Thursday is now going to be scheduled either today or tomorrow. Either it could be later in the night today or later tomorrow, when the crucial Mahayuti meeting of Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, that meeting will decide as to what the face of the entire government will look like. That will be conveyed to Delhi, and which will then finally make a decision as to who gets what.
That is going to be that crucial meeting, likely this evening. Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar and of course Eknath Shinde will have to just get together before a final announcement is made. But is there some thought at the end that perhaps need to be softened? Vidya, I request you to please stay on, because the men you're looking at on your screen are going to next take the Maharashtra state ahead. Is the state set for Devendra Fadnavis? Because BJP netas have been suggesting that Fadnavis is the Maharashtra Chief Minister. They are only waiting for a further announcement. Mahayuti is set to announce the Chief Minister pick today, likely this evening after a key meeting. Now, Eknath Shinde has said, this happened yesterday in Satara, where, many wondered why was he absent for about 2-3 days. He has now said on camera that Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah will take the final call and he will abide by their decision. But the tussle over portfolios possibly is still on, because we are told that Shinde Sena is adamant on the Deputy CM and Home Ministry demand for the state government, along with retaining the 9 existing berths for them. Portfolios will be discussed after the Chief Minister's name is announced. But will Shinde Sena also manage to get its way?
अरे भैया, उनकी कल मीटिंग है ना, विधानमंडल पक्ष की उनकी मीटिंग है, उसमें तय हो जाएगा. क्यों चिंता करते हो? 5 तारीख तो हुई है, तो आप चिंता मत करो, सब बराबर हो जाएगा.
Vidya, so it did appear that he was reportedly not too well with regard to his health. That was the reason he was in Satara. But I did find his statement very interesting. Again, kind of putting it into perspective, saying, I am not going to be becoming a rebel over this. What do you make of the statement that Eknath Shinde has made here?
Well, of course, both NCP as well as the Eknath Shinde faction of the Shiv Sena do not really have much say. Remember, because 132 is a very huge number that the BJP has on its side, and technically, it's as it says, it's just following the alliance dharam, and it is this reason why they are still in talks with the alliance partners. The Eknath Shinde faction also very sure, their leaders have been stating as to how NCP is really not needed, but remember, it gives a bargaining power to BJP when it has two other alliances which it can deal with. It can really not have to listen to just Eknath Shinde if it has Ajit Pawar on its side. So the BJP leaders are trying very hard to make sure that this bargain comes out in their favor, while each of the two other alliance partners are also working on this. But remember, of course, at the end of the day, who gets what is a huge announcement for Maharashtra, which everyone's really waiting. And according to the decision, Eknath Shinde says that it will be decided by the Modi and the Shah duo. But remember, he did not seem very happy because, of course, it does seem like the CM post is gone from Eknath Shinde as well as from the Shiv Sena. So it is now left for the portfolio distribution and the Deputy Chief Minister's post, which now they are really bargaining for.
I can see a heightened security deployment behind Vidya at the Chief Minister's residence. So the journalists, the security personnel, people of Maharashtra, everyone's waiting for that one final announcement, even though it does appear to be Eknath Shinde. Thank you very much, Vidya. I'll come back to you in just a short while. Now, here's what our Mumbai Bureau have sent us. This is the inside track of what actually is happening in Maharashtra. Now, one of the big scoops that we do have is that today, in all likelihood, this evening, the Chief Minister's suspense is going to end. Fadnavis's name has been finalized for the Chief Minister's designation. It's his return to the Chief Minister's chair, but that means what happens to the Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde. They also may take the Deputy CM position, but they are still firm on the home portfolio, the home department, the home ministry for the state government. Another scoop that we can tell you is that could Shinde's son become the Deputy Chief Minister so that there is a strong power that's still retained by the family, by the Sena in the state government. The BJP legislative meeting, which is the BJP legislators, are going to meet in some time, the next few hours, and after that there could be a big decision taken. Remember, BJP performed the best among all three alliance partners. In total, they have managed to get about 138 with support, and therefore they will want maximum ministerial berths as well. So if the stage is set for Maharashtra Cha Raja Devendra Fadnavis, what happens to Eknath Shinde, his portfolios, to Ajit Pawar and more? Let's take a look at this report coming in from Maharashtra. Days after Mahayuti's historic victory, Maharashtra is yet to get its next Chief Minister. BJP leaders are claiming that the name of Maharashtra's new Chief Minister has been finalized and a confirmation is awaited from the High Command. Eknath Shinde says he's ready to abide by Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah's decision.
जनता को जैसे सरकार स्थाप चाहिए वैसे सरकार मिलेगा। मैंने बुधवार के दिन पूरी तरह मेरी भूमिका स्पष्ट की हुई है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आदरणीय गृह मंत्री अमित भाई, पूरी तरह मैंने मेरा समर्थन दिया है। उसके लिए कोई किंतु परंतु नहीं है और स्पष्टता से मैंने कहा, मैं पूरी स्पष्टता से मेरी भूमिका व्यक्त करने वाला कार्यकर्ता हूं।
NCP's Ajit Pawar has said it has been decided that Chief Minister will be from the Saffron clan.
आमच्या महायुतीचं सरकार स्थापन करायचं एवढा निर्णय झाला। भाजपचा मुख्यमंत्री होईल तोही निर्णय झाला। राहिलेले दोन पक्षाचे दोन उपमुख्यमंत्री होतील हाही निर्णय झाला।
Meanwhile, the opposition is targeting Mahayuti over the delay of the CM announcement.
ये डेट गवर्नर के ऑफिस से आती है। कब से हमारा देश ट्विटर पे चलने लगा है, तो जो भी ओथ ले उनको हमारी शुभेच्छा है। लेकिन ये पूरी अनारकी होने लगी है। कोई सिस्टम है कि नहीं हमारे देश में? ये किसी ने जाके क्लेम करना पड़ता है, फिर कहना पड़ता है कि हम गवर्नमेंट बनाएंगे, सरकार बनाएंगे, आंकड़े दिखाते हैं और फिर ये सब तय होता है। तो अभी कुछ हुआ है?
Amid the suspense over CM phase, the fight now is for plum portfolios, and that is also intensifying. Sources tell India Today, Shiv Sena is adamant on its Deputy Chief Minister position, Home Ministry, and wants to retain 9 existing berths. Bureau Report, India Today.